welcome back to another video. It is so loud. It's another super windy day here in Saskatchewan. I'm not sure if you guys can even hear me because it's so windy and there's so many cars, but yeah, it's a decent day. We are out here at the same old spot, except we are actually on the other side. I'm usually on that side. It's almost like I'm on like a completely different place, but hopefully you can see some nice cars today. Yeah, boy! Look at that thing. Damn, that, I'm pretty sure that's another wrap. That's pretty sick. Look at that. Ooh, is that? I'm not even sure what that was. Send it, dude. That's a nice color. He didn't send it though. Got this. Damn, that is loud. Woo! Look at that thing. Yo! Oh, there's that nice Camaro. I think I've seen that a few. And a WRX. But what the heck was that thing? It's the blue Focus. Yeah, boy. Oh! Bro, those are so loud. Woo! Oh, Jesus. Oh my God. There it is. Oh, it's got some tire stickers too. Z34 Camaro again that we saw in front of the Lotus. Got some fancy headlights. I'm not sure if those are aftermarket or stock. Oh, it's another Focus ST. That's some nice stripes though. Oh, look at that C7. That's clean. Damn, that's clean. God. That thing had a chameleon wrap. I never know how to say that, but I'm pretty sure he wrapped the wheels too. That is just funny. Send it. That thing is actually so loud. Damn, that is loud. It's a Lexus, but that's clean. I'm pretty sure it's quite loud too. Got some nice Brembos or something. Yeah, there we go. Okay, I got this one finally on camera. That thing is super loud. Woo! What is going on, you guys? It is actually a couple weeks later here. I'm about to head out and do a little more car spotting. Hopefully it's enough for this video. Didn't get that much content the last clip last day I went, but yeah, today we're going a little bit later, and yeah, see if we can find any better, and a different spot. I'm going to a different spot. I might go do some parking lot car spotting too. Well, won't you look at who we have here? Dodge fam. These tire stickers now I see are kind of faded, but we got a new sun visor, whatever you want to call that. I knew his car was gonna be here. I was thinking, you know, we haven't gotten, of all the cars, we haven't gotten Dodge fam's car. We haven't gotten cinematic shots of Dodge fam's car. So, without further ado, I guess, cue the cinematic shots. Already tell it is super windy. I don't know how many times my hat's almost flown off my head, but yeah, let's see if we can find anything else nice in this parking lot. Shoo-wee. I saw this one from a mile away, and I hear somebody with a super loud car. Some snap crackle pop. I think it's that BMW. But wow, is this a nice color? Look at those gloss black wheels too. Man, does that front end look good? I heard this drive by. That is definitely a Porsche. I think it's a 9. Oh, can't get up. Hold on. We're back. That's definitely a Carrera, I think. I think. It's actually pretty loud. I barely didn't catch it. I saw it drive by so fast. Woo! Look at that thing, bro. That is so loud. That's not even going fast. Jeez. We got the popos. Oh, 2 popos. Damn. What have they done? Right. I think I'm gonna try this spot. The McDonald's. You can see behind me. I gotta put my hat back on. See what we can get. I think we've got some good content here. Before, in the past few days, that super loud truck, that was insane. I don't think the camera did that justice. It was super loud. That was like a drag strip truck or something. Yeah. Let's see what we can find. My hopes are high for this spot. My hopes are pretty high. That loud. God. Loud Mitsubishi. Jaguar F-Type. Yeah. Haven't seen one of those yet. This Charger's pretty sick. There's some nice stripes though. Damn, that is a clean Corvette. Mustang. Damn. Jesus, that's so loud. Look at that. We got old school Mustang, loud truck, and old school car. Yo, look at the turbo, dude. That was insane. That's a nice BMW. Damn, look at that. I don't even know what car that is. Oh, it's one of those things. I don't even know what that brand is called. Yo. Sick Fiat, I gotta admit. Look at that thing. What the heck? That is insane. Alrighty guys, got another beautiful day out here. It's windy as usual, but I think around high 20s Celsius, so it's quite hot. Got a nice breeze, but yeah, this should be the last day of this video. I'm gonna try going out early in the evening today. Probably gonna be out for like 4 hours. The other day though, it's always seems like every time I'm just about to leave, a nice car appears. For example, I think it was my last video or the video before, we saw a black Mark IV Supra with some nice bronze or gold wheels. I don't really remember, but that was literally like I was literally about to leave when I saw that. But unfortunately yesterday I was already leaving. That's what I'm trying to say. I was already leaving, and then I heard a loud car. I looked behind, there was like this, I think we may have seen it before, but it was super loud. That kind of bluish green metallic turquoise, dark turquoise metallic Lotus. It was the same one that we saw last video. I think it was in my last video, but that one in my last video was like quite quiet. This one, however, was insanely loud. So it's either a different one or the guy got a nice exhaust for his Lotus, because wow, that thing was loud. But yeah, hoping that we see something nice, because I'm gonna be out for a long time, and we got some nice weather too, and it's a Saturday, so theoretically, I can't talk today, theoretically there should be quite a few nice cars driving around. Mercedes, that's clean. Woo! There's that BRZ again. Woo! Damn, that sounds nice. Send it. Oh, damn, there's a biker in front of him. Oh, There's that wrapped Mustang again. And Subaru. There's that Jaguar SVR, I think. I've seen it once before. Sounds super nice. Oh yeah, listen to that exhaust. Oh yeah. Woo! Oh yeah, look at that. That is clean. I'm not sure what that is, but... Oh yeah, that is mint. That is so loud. Nice tail lights. I saw it, the SS on the front. Oh yeah, boys. Corvette. Look at that. Sounds pretty nice. Damn, look at that wrap. I think we've seen that before, but that wrap is sick. Shoo-wee. Damn. I forget what those are called. G30, 63, something like that. Now that right there is a hot rod. That is clean. How do you even see on that windshield? Look at that Dodge Durango. Is that an SRT? That's some sick stripes. Look at that Challenger Dodge family. Oh damn. That is a sick wrap. Dodge fam's got some competition out here. What is that? Some funky headlights. Oh, the exhaust is interesting. Interesting car. Alrighty.